In this video, we present our bucket washer, Linda, the only machine specifically designed for flexo printing that washes perfectly without using flammable solvents, buckets that are dirty inside and out, just like yours. The machine features a simple and intuitive control panel. The strategic nozzle distribution allows it to reach even the most difficult areas, both inside and outside, in a short amount of time. The system can wash from 4 buckets at a time, or more, depending on your needs. At the end of the cycle, just wipe the bucket with a dry cloth to finish the job. If you have any questions or need more information, don't hesitate to contact us.